Hello all and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Lish the Baker and today is my birthday. So in honor of that, for today's episode, we are making Funfetti birthday cake cookie sandwiches. A rather long and complicated name for a relatively simple dessert. As pretty much anyone in my family can attest, I am obsessed with sprinkles. I love sprinkles, so making a Funfetti dessert was pretty much a no-brainer. This recipe is made with a boxed cake mix and pre-made frosting because I don't know about you, but when I'm making something just for myself, I want it to be easy. Any other bakers out there feel the same way? Let me know in the comments down below. So, without further ado, let's get into the baking. My sprinkles have bled a little and my cookies are going to be pink. Don't think that's a bad thing. I think it's kind of cute. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the little bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. And yes, if you have noticed, I have a different background. That is because we actually moved. So new kitchen, new house, very exciting. You guys are gonna see a lot of it coming up. You know, you'll see the countertop and this background here in these videos. But if you wanna see more, you can check out my other channel. I'm doing a lot of moving vlogs over there. It's very fun. I'll put a link to that up above or down in the description if you're interested in checking that out. But until next time, keep it delicious. Okay, I am gonna make more cookies than I thought.
Yay! Does that mean I can have more cookies than you thought?
Yes, it does. I feel like that was really artistic.